Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to fix delayed message notifications on Instagram. If your Instagram notifications aren't coming through, it might be because you've accidentally paused all notifications, and here's how to fix it. First thing first, open the Instagram app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Tap the hamburger menu in the top right corner, then select Settings from the menu. Now, tap Notifications and find the Pause All option and toggle it off to resume receiving alerts instantly. Just a pro tip, you can also adjust specific notification types like message, comments, or likes under the same menu if you only want certain alerts active. And now you can receive no delayed notifications on Instagram. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.